grits. Salad. Plus my dressing to it. Dinner for today, my friends. You're watching the Winston J. Cooking and Discovery TV. So that is my dinner for today. This is oven stuffed roast chicken with seasoned rice. Oven stuffed roast chicken with seasoned rice. Thank you for watching the Winston J. Cooking and Discovery TV. Please do like and share and subscribe to my channel and support my channel. I thank you very much for going along this journey with me. I will see you on another cooking journey on the Winston J. Cooking and Discovery TV. Thanks for viewing.